We'll guide you through how to install Claude on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Claude website. Once you're there, look for the Download section, which should be clearly marked on the homepage. Click on the download link and make sure to select the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. After you click Download, your browser will start downloading the installation file, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your download folder and locate the Claude installer file. Double-click the installer to launch the installation wizard. A prompt might appear asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The Claude installation wizard will guide you through the installation process. You need to agree to the terms and conditions, so make sure to read them carefully before proceeding. Select the installation location if you want it somewhere other than the default path. Then you can click Install to start the installation process. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can choose to launch Claude immediately by checking the appropriate box before clicking Finish. If not, you can find Claude in your Applications or Programs list to open it later. There you go, Claude is now installed on your desktop and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.